what can we do about this in practice? So with your white balance settings, what can you do there? What are your options? Experiment, yeah. I mean, generally on your still cameras, DSLRs, what options have you got in terms of white balance? So you've got some
Attractive.
You hadn't need to your white bag.
Yeah.
Am I on it?
That's the weirdest question I've ever asked. Get off. I thought you were going to quote my booth. And he did.
Okay,
Now it is.
Yeah. I love this class. It's brilliant. We do no work.
We're meant to be, but
Ooh.
paying just distracting us.
So someone
Oh, that's good, Luke.
Kelvin earlier. Dan had mentioned this colour temperature degrees Kelvin. So that's kind of what we're getting on to. So with your visible light, there's different colours, different wavelengths. So we can actually look at it in terms of physics and say it's 400 nanometres, 500, etc. But we could also look at it on a different scale